The OnePlus Pad Review. Design and display. The OnePlus Pad features a sleek design with curved edges, enhancing ergonomics and comfort during prolonged use. Its 11.6-inch LCD display boasts a 144 Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth visuals for both media consumption and gaming. The 2800 by 2000 resolution ensures sharp and vibrant imagery. Performance. Equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 processor, the OnePlus Pad offers robust performance, handling multitasking and demanding applications with ease. This chipset, coupled with 8 GB of RAM, ensures a responsive and efficient user experience. Battery life. The tablet is powered by a 9510 mAh battery, providing impressive longevity. In continuous web surfing tests, it lasted over 13 hours, surpassing many competitors in its class. Camera. The OnePlus Pad is equipped with a 13MP rear camera, centered along the top edge, facilitating easier photo snapping. This design choice enhances usability, especially when holding the tablet in landscape mode. Overall, the OnePlus Pad stands out as a compelling option in the Android tablet market, offering a combination of performance, design, and value. Its impressive display, robust performance, and long battery life make it a strong contender for users seeking a versatile tablet experience. Thank you so much.